Your love alone is not enough, not enough, not enough.
When times get tough,
Oh, they get tough, they get tough, they get tough. Trade all your heroes in for ghosts, in for ghosts, in for ghosts. They're always the ones that love you most, love you most, love you most.
your love alone
It's not enough, not enough, not enough. It's what you felt. It's what you said, what you said, what you said. You said the sky would fall on you, fall on you, fall on you. Through all the pain, your eyes stay blue. They stay blue, baby blue.
but your love alone won't save the world. You knew the secret of the universe.
Despite it all, you made it worse. It left you lonely.
It left you cursed. You stole the sun.
Straight from my heart, from my heart, from my heart. With no excuses. Just fell apart, fell apart, fell apart. No, you won't make a mess of me, mess of me, mess of me. For you're as blind as a man can be, man can be, man can be.
I could have seen for miles and miles. I could have made you feel alive.
I could have placed us in exile. I could have written all your lines. I could have shown you. I could have shown you.
How to cry.
Your love alone.
It's not enough.
Your love alone.
It's not enough. I could have shown you.
I said you had to cry. Your love alone.
It's not enough.
Your love alone.
Old enough to be her dad, but the young men were just mad. They nursed their grievances, and she was flattered by his charm. It wouldn't do her any harm. They all had their chances. He sent her flowers and limousines. She was treated like a queen, and anything she ever wanted, it was no problem for a man like him. And everyone expected soon that she could ask him for the moon if she would wear his ring. Knowing glances from his friends in the homes of the weekends of high society, but he didn't give a damn. He never felt more like a man, and all the time the clock was ticking. And all house upon a hill. She was there with time to kill. She lived the life she'd only dreamed. Her life was never what it seemed. To all her friends that she'd ignored, she denied that she was bored. She had no time for dancing, no time for dancing. But the clock upon the wall that was ticking in the hall always reminded her that life was going on elsewhere, that she was happy and she'd swear she wouldn't change a thing. And all would envy the older man and his beautiful young wife. Yes, all would envy. Now it's 5 o'clock a.m. She must have spent the night again with that old friend of hers. And she loves to dance, but she's missing more and more these days. But he's still stuck in his old ways. Perhaps she needs a little more romance. But the clock upon the wall is still ticking in the hall. She must be home soon. Where a younger man would weep, he takes a pill and goes